Hello coders, in this particular Excel video I am given the task that how to print this particular record keeping the data intact but the salary column won't be printed out. So if I press Ctrl P for the print preview, as you can see that here it is showing that salary, we will be keeping the data intact. However, while printing it out salary, this particular column won't be printed. Now how to do so? It's simple, just click on this D and after right clicking on it, just simply hide this particular column. Now if I press Ctrl P, so we are having the data, but the salary, that particular column is being kept hidden. However, that particular column is not being deleted, the data is intact. So what we can do is that we can just click on this to select all of the Excel sheet and right click between any of the two columns and then just simply click on unhide to unhide or to review to view the columns which was being hidden. In this problem scenario only one column was being kept hidden, which was of salary. Thank you all guys and happy coding.